Welcome friends. Today we will learn about Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a software application produced by Adobe System. It is a successor to Adobe's One Page Maker. Now let us see the uses of Adobe InDesign. It is used for making posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, and books. It exports documents in PDF and has multilingual support. History of Adobe InDesign. It was the first desktop publishing application to support Unicode for text processing, advanced typography with OpenType fonts, advanced transparency features, layout styles, optical margin alignment, and cross-platform scripting using JavaScript. Now let us talk about the version of InDesign. The version of Adobe InDesign are as follows: InDesign CS2, InDesign CS3, InDesign CS4, InDesign CS5, and InDesign CS6. We will work on Adobe InDesign CS5. Adobe InDesign CS5 is page layout software that takes print, publishing, and page design beyond current boundaries. Now let us see how to open Adobe InDesign CS5. Click on Start menu, go to All Programs, select Adobe Master Collection CS5, then click on Adobe InDesign CS5. We can also click on InDesign shortcut on desktop. Here we using trial version, so click on continue trial. This is Adobe InDesign software. In this we can click document, books, library. So first of all we click on document. Here document present like default and custom. Here we use default, and intent, print and web. We use print. Here number of pages, start page, facing pages, master text frame, page size. In page size we use A4. Here in page, letter, legal, tabloid, etc. size are given. Here width and height and orientation, portrait or landscape. We use anything. Here number of columns and margins, top, bottom, inside, outside, and bleed and slug. Then after click on OK. This is our workspace. Here this is tab document window. This is a application bar. This is workspace feature. Here we use as a book. This is panel toolbar. This is control panel. This is tool panel. This is collapse to icon button. This is 4-panel group in vertical dock. The Adobe InDesign workspace is arranged to help you focus on designing and producing pages efficiently. When you first start InDesign, you see the default workspace. You create and manipulate your documents and files using various elements such as panels, bars, and windows. Any arrangement of these elements is called workspace. The application bar across the top contains a workspace switcher, menus, and other application controls. On the Mac for certain products, you can show or hide it using the window menu. The tool panel contains tools for creating and editing image, artwork. The tool panel contains tools for creating and editing images, artworks, page elements, and so on. Related tools are grouped. The control panel displays options for the currently select tools. The document window displays the file you are working on. Document windows can be tabbed and, in certain cases, grouped and docked. Hide or show all panels. To hide or show all panels, including the Tools panel and Control panel, press Tab. To hide or show all panels except the Tools panel and Control panel, press Shift plus Tab. Thanks for watching.